Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new brand video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your device is not compatible with this version Carx Street. If you have using Android mobile and download your games Carx Street but you have facing this error, your device is not compatible with this version. So how can fix this error? So let's get started this video without wasting time. Firstly, go back home screen. After then go back home screen and enter into the Google or Safari if you have using iPhone. So after then enter into the Google or Safari, so type on search bar and search it Carx Street 0.9.2 APK. After then search it, here you see first website Carx Street APK for Android download. So see and so wait and so click this file. If you have C Carx Street APK for Android 0.9.2, so click on this. After then click on this, here you see key feature of Carx Street. Here you see download APK, so just click on download APK. See, don't forget subscribe my channel and click on download APK and scroll down. Here you see fast download, so just click on download option. After then click on download option. Here you see, so just wait. Here you see, here choose where to download 1.19 GB. So just click on download and please wait. Click on detail. Here you see guys, Carx Street game is downloading and your problem has been solved. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have facing this problem and any problem, so tell me inbox and comment box, so I try to solve your problem. So thanks for watching for my video.